I spent nearly 30 years as a police officer, and more specifically, most of my career was spent as a collision investigator. So I know what happens in the collisions, and I've seen so many that I can't even remember them all. And I know how important it is to be seen on your bike. And I know that with AdMore Lighting put on the back, people notice it. And I'm more confident knowing that I'm lighting up the back and not just the front.
As soon as I saw it, I'm like, that's what I need. It makes you more visible on the road, especially at night. It looks cool, but the main thing is for safety, especially when I'm braking, it flashes, so you can see, even if you are sleeping, you can see that something is flashing in front of you, and it will cause you to stop.
Drivers don't see us on the road. The more we can do, the better, and the AdMore light lights up the back of the bike where they have no excuse.
As bikers, we're invisible at the best of times, so having something that makes you more visible, let people know that you're turning or you're stopping, very important to me.
I want to be seen, and I want people to know that I'm slowing down without having to actually apply the brakes.
I believe, yeah, that it's very visible. People that I know have commented on it, how visible it is, and that's important when you're on a bike.